dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to this video so you can check out all of the other hauls that I have. If you're an existing diva doll, then hey girlfriend, welcome back. But today I decided to share my Fashion Nova try on haul. So you already know I absolutely love online shopping. I am here as a resource. I want to show y'all what it is that I picked up. So if you are ready to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so y'all, I just want to tell you that there are so many cute dresses on Fashion Nova for $20 or less. This entire haul, I wanted to get dresses and items that were super comfortable. I can just throw on because I don't look like this every day. This is quarantine, and during quarantine, I don't want to sit in my pajamas. Sometimes I feel like I'm not, you know, being productive. I just wanted to find outfits and clothes that I can wear that were inexpensive. So yeah, this is the haul for you. So this dress, both of those dresses, they're pretty stretchy. They are very short, as you can see, but they still, and I'm very curvy, but as you can see, it still looked nice. I like the fabric. The fabric is quite thick, so I feel like it's not see-through. I love these little jackets. So this jacket, let me tell you about this jacket. I love it because it has a scrunchy bottom, as you can see, and it really does snatch in your waist. It's like an acid wash color. It's really comfortable and it's so cute, y'all. Like, I just really love the shape of the jacket, and I wanted a jacket because I can wear it with all of these skirts. I'm sorry, all of these dresses. So I've been just killing it with the dresses, y'all. So this is a long sleeve dress. It buttons down a couple of buttons so you can wear it buttoned up, buttoned down to make it a little sexier. All these dresses I feel are super casual. Again, quarantine cute. You just throw on some sneakers. If you want to wear some flats or some slides, you know how we do with the fuzzy Uggs or something. Like, all these clothes are super cute to do that with. So these are the short mini dresses that I picked up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and share the black dress. Now, this black dress, I absolutely love it. I recommend for you to go ahead and actually size down in this dress because it's super stretchy, and I'm gonna probably have to tie the top because it's so stretchy, and I want to wear this without a bra, so I feel like that will hold me up better. But this dress is a little on the thinner side, so that's why I'm showing you here. You can kind of see through it, so make sure you wear your black undergarments. But long story short, it feels so amazing on, and I love that it's a midi dress. So you know, you can kind of dress it up a little if you want to wear heels or something. So this is a midi cover up. I'm assuming it's a cover up. It kind of feels more like an actual dress. It's not super stretchy, so I'm kind of showing you here how it looks. It is see-through. I would definitely wear this on, you know, a beach trip. You know, I'll have my bathing suit underneath, but I love the colors, really tropical, and it makes me want to book a trip right now. So here again, we're going with the casual. I love one-piece sets, y'all. So this is a very stretchy set. This is in a really thick material. It's not the normal cotton that I'm used to from Fashion Nova, but the material is really warm. I was sweating wearing this, but I love it because it's like a denim print and it's stretchy, and you can just throw it on and go. You can put on a jacket with it, like whatever you want to do. Now, next, I have a shirt. All I did was just put down the pants so you can kind of get an idea of how short the shirt is. It's kind of like a crop top shirt, but it's hemmed and it's kind of just cute and detailed. I'm going to get a little closer so you can kind of see the material. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. So it says baby girl, it's army fatigue. It's just a really cute top. Now, here we have this two-piece set. I got it because I'm in love with tie-dye right now. Like, my next hauls is going to be like all tie-dye, y'all. But this is super stretchy. It is so cozy. I got this set in an extra large. I love that it fits like this. It's like oversized comfort. The bottoms are tight on your ankles, and honestly, this fabric is like a cozy blanket, so you will be very hot wearing it. I wore this on a rainy, colder day, so I'm trying to show you the fabric. It's like one of those fuzzy blankets, but it is so cute and comfy. Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please share this video with a friend. If you shop Fashion Nova before, leave your experience down below. That other diva dolls want to know how it was for you. Again, I adore Fashion Nova because you get your clothes fast. Your clothes are cute. They're super affordable. They're trendy. I really couldn't complain. A lot of the items, again, the quality is pretty decent for what it is that you pay. Again, I recommend it, so I'm going to put the links to everything that I picked up down below, as well as the sizes that I got them in. And of course, I got to hook y'all dolls up with a coupon code. Use code CRYSTALCHANEL, that way you can save some money off of your purchase. If you don't already subscribe to this channel, please stop what you're doing. Go ahead and do that. I do have a fitness and a vlog channel. I update there, so please follow those as well. I'll put the links down below in the box. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat and on TikTok, even though I don't really be doing a lot of TikToks, go ahead and check me out. My name is @ChryssyTheDoll. I just want to say thank you so much for your ongoing support. I have been making videos like this for the past few years, and I feel really blessed and lucky to be able to do that. I do have a voice. I do have a platform. I do want to say Black Lives Matter. We know everyone's important, but right now what's going on in our world, it's ridiculous, it's crazy, it's scary. I just want to say donate, educate yourself, you know, just be kind. I mean, vote. There's so many things we can all be doing, but again, I just want to just circle it back around. I feel blessed to be able to be here. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for sharing my content. Thank you for the kind comments, like everything, okay? So again, be safe. Make sure you're social distancing. The coronavirus is very real and it's very here. So please make sure you're following those guidelines, and that's it. I want to say thank you one more time so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.